They don't build them like this anymore. Welcome to one of the last historic brick townhomes in the heart of Williamsburg.
J'aime beaucoup la danse.
Solid hardwood doors and restored antique hardware throughout the home. "500 square feet of private outdoor space. This is the antidote to every cookie-cutter condo in the neighborhood. Whole Foods around the corner, Domino Park down the street. This is as good as Williamsburg gets. Do you want to check it out? DM me for a tour.